Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. I'm going to be setting up the WoneNice Tarp for the first time. I've actually had this for a couple of months, and I'm finally going to get around to setting it up. I haven't even pulled out of the bag yet. So, I'm going to be sleeping on the Teton Sports camping cot this weekend. I'm out here with two buddies, and they have hammocks. I figured I'd mix it up, sleep on a cot, because, you know, why not? I mean, I bought it, I might as well use it. So let's get this sucker broken out, and we'll give it a good look, and then we'll start setting it up. Alrighty. So you get a good amount of cordage. 2 big hanks. You get 4 tent stakes. And then the tarp itself. Let's get a ridge line going, and then we'll go from there. Alright, so kind of interesting, but it looks like you get 4 10-foot corners to tie down the corners. Now, I have this second one, but because there are 4 of these adjustments on here, I'm thinking you get 8 of them. So let's bust this one out and see if I'm right. Okay, so you get 2 lines, 25 feet long, and then 4 lines at 4 feet long. So, of course, I had to stand here and undo all the knots while I was trying to get set up. So, I'll probably have to put these together. And of course, everything has to bunch up when you put it down, because that's the rule of rope. Okay, I don't know how well this will show up, but so basically I had to tie the 2 ends together, make it 50 feet, because it's typical, you never have enough rope. But it comes with these adjustments on here. Which I already ran out. Come on, why do you gotta be stubborn like that? Okay, now I'm gonna have to go to the other side and tighten it up. What is this guy doing? Alright, I just gave up trying to be clever with the rope. Tied it off on the end. Said the hell with it. Get this tarp out. It's got some pretty nice grommet tie-outs that those will show up on camera. It's pretty nice. Trying to figure out which way is the long end. Of course, Mr. Wind just has to be friendly and blow your top everywhere. Thanks, Wind. You take after smoke. Being a douche. Well, I think I'm all set up for the night. I've got my sleeping bag out, pad aired up, my cot set up. The tarp. I didn't just go to the ground on each corner. A few times I went to trees. It was really windy earlier. It's not so bad now, although there are a few still gusts coming, but yeah. We'll see how she does for the night. A couple things I do notice that I wish it had, and I'll show you. I kind of wish it had some tie outs in the middle, like right here, just to secure it a little bit more. Then I have to painfully try to sew one on myself, which, you know, I'm a shit sewer, so that could be interesting. Fortunately, I have medical insurance, so here I am packing up. It's morning now, as you can see, as I'm starting to grab my stuff. It was supposed to rain later that day, so I went ahead and just packed up so I wouldn't have to take everything home and dry it out, because drying everything out like that can be kind of a pain. So anyway, this is a 10 by 13 camping hammock tarp, it says. I got this on Amazon. It's currently for $26.99. They had a blue and they had a green with a silver inside, as you can see in the video. Yeah, so $26.99. It's 2 pounds. It comes with the bag, the 4 stakes, the cordage, 2 25-foot lengths, and 4 lengths at 10 feet. So overall, I was pretty happy with it. I mean, it's not the lightest tarp, but it was big enough to cover my whole shelter, my whole cot, which worked pretty well. The wind that weekend was pretty gnarly and was blowing everything around, but you know, what are you going to do? The cordage, I have to say, was not the greatest. It felt kind of cheap, so I'm actually planning on switching out my cordage for something else. I just haven't done it yet. I'm probably just going to end up using paracord instead of the cordage that it comes with, because, you know, paracord is just a little bit better quality than the cordage that came with it.